Dreamantic girl.
Hey there, dreamers. Welcome back to my channel. Life has a way of keeping us on our toes. Just when you think you've got things figured out, it shifts. Unexpectedly, beautifully, and sometimes painfully. It's unpredictable, messy, and real, and that's what makes every moment matter. Lately, there have been so many highs. Planning out camping spots for the warmer months ahead, dreaming about new places to explore this spring and summer, and soaking in those longer days with peaceful walks alongside the dogs. There's something so refreshing about feeling the seasons slowly change again. Here in Ontario, Canada, March is that in-between moment where winter hasn't fully let go, but spring is quietly waiting around the corner. But even with the hope that comes with spring, life can still bring heartbreak. This month, I had to say goodbye to Indy, the best dog a girl could ever ask for. She wasn't just a pet, she was family, a companion through everything, and a piece of my heart that I'll carry with me always. Thanks for being there, dreamers. All right, March 1st, and Brutus is being really silly with the stick. I'm gonna get it! I'm gonna get it! I'm gonna throw it now, do I? All right, you ready? And there he goes. Where are you going? It's a beautiful March 1st. I'm going to see my granddaughter Charlotte play soccer later and finally give them their presents. It's only taken 3 months after Christmas, which is pretty bad. But I haven't been feeling great, and every weekend it's been either snowing or something else is planned. This has been the first we've had a chance. And they went away to the East Coast this Christmas instead of being around for Christmas Eve, so otherwise they would have got it for Christmas. He's so darn cute, though. Look at him chewing his stick. Just let them play a bit. Now I'm gonna bring the girls out and let them do their business. Well, we had a great visit with the grandkids. Went out for something to eat after the amazing soccer game. Really love watching my granddaughter play. Did our Christmas celebration and birthday for me celebration all in one. Just so you guys know, nothing's changed. They still howl. See? We're going. We're going. Totally foggy day. Like totally foggy. It's like zombie movie type. You're gonna make me wipe out, aren't you? You're leading me all through the ice. Bitch. Excuse my language, but she is. Let's find the most dangerous way for Mom to go, and I will lead her that way and help her break her neck. Right? Brutus? Come on! Come here! Stay close! Yeah, so it's March 7th. We got April, and then May, and then camping starts, so John's going to start looking into when we get the camper out. And, like, I would camp right now. It's 15 degrees. It's warmed up a lot, which is, I guess, why it's so foggy. I haven't done much since the trip to Quebec for my birthday because I got sick. I'm still sick. I'm just out with the dogs because I feel guilty. I gotta keep an eye out because it's so foggy I can't even see very far. Yeah. Back in the car. We made it. Okay. Heading home. Check it out. Fog. It's rained. The roads are actually like flooded. See? And watch, no one's behind me, but water. Short and sweet. I can't really take any pictures. Someone's up behind us. I got Brutus on the leash, Venus on the leash, and Indy usually doesn't go after anyone's dog anyway. Skies are blue. Path is less icy than yesterday. And it's really breezy. Come on. Like really breezy. Which is lovely. It's gonna, right, with the sun shining and the breeze, the melted stuff's gonna kind of evaporate in the wind, right? So there you go. There's my filming of the walk. We did Camp 30 both days. We're getting back into the swing of things after the really cold winter. Good Tuesday morning. Still suffering from this cold. And March has been, I don't know, the snow's been thawing, which is great. The whole field is now brown. Most of my backyard is, except a few spots. But my life has consisted of getting up in the morning pretty much, get ready for work, take the girls out, take Brutus out, enjoy a little view of the sunset while I'm chasing Brutus down the field, which I'm doing right now. And then putting on dog TV and heading out to work. I think Venus is missing me. She's like looking at me all funny. And look at this. There's little buds coming out. Gotta love that. You stay here. Don't go across the muckies. I know, it's yucky. Oh, that's good. He doesn't like the wet on his feet. And during the thaw, we get a river coming like right through there that he didn't want to walk through it. So he's staying close. Gosh, I wish there was always a river there. Anyway, beautiful sunrise this morning. Maybe we're going to get crappy weather because what is it? Red sky in the morning, sailor's heat warning. It's not cold enough to snow, I don't think. So it'll probably be rain. Anyway, I got to finish getting ready. Bye. All right, it's the middle of March. We got snow again. I'm out with Brutus, and it's Indy's second outing. She just scared the crap out of a squirrel for no reason. She does that, man. The poor thing must have had a heart attack. Anyway, I'm all frustrated because I had a space issue on my computer. So I deleted stuff out of like messages and documents. And now I'm missing a whole bunch of stuff out of the video that I was trying to export, which was all in downloads. So I don't understand. Man, I'm sure you hear the frustration in my voice because it was ready to go. Oh my God. And now I don't even know if I have that footage. I gotta go look at it. I was so mad when it happened yesterday, I just turned the computer off and said, fuck, excuse the F word. I'm taking the rest of the day off. I didn't even look at what exactly files I lost. Anyway, it went from an hour to a half hour, so it's quite a bit of footage. Hopefully it's not all the good Quebec stuff. Signing out. March 17th. And look at it. It's a tundra again. Like everything's covered in snow. It's minus between 11 and 17. And I thought spring was coming. I'm so jealous of all the BC people, man. They got like flowers out and all kinds of stuff. And here I am, frozen. Venus didn't even want to stay out today. Brutus doesn't seem to mind it as much. Yeah. He's like not upset about it at all. Silly puppers. Silly puppers. Come on, don't go too far. Don't go too far. Alright, you gonna stay close? No, eh? Alright. Brutus is out in the field, and the sky don't look great on this side, but if I turn this way, look at that. Which is the red sky in the morning. Sailors heed warning, so we must be getting more bad weather. Wah. Having some fun at work. Me and Venus are sitting here. We're all worried about Italy. So, she was out last night with Chris for a pee. Like, just in a poop. Just before 11, she was bugging him. And I don't know, man. She, like, fell on the stairs that go to the basement, which aren't even steep. And now she can't even get up. I have no idea what she did to herself. Feel so bad for her. I've been giving her painkillers. Every time she moves, she just cries. I gotta take her to the vet today. I was supposed to go see my grandkids and do arts and crafts day, but I have a funny feeling it's not gonna happen. I don't know what to say anymore, man. I'm so worried about her, though. Bringing her to a vet. She's got those lumps and stuff, too, so I don't know what they're gonna say. Anyway, it's not a great morning. Indy's showing her how it's done. Yeah! Okay, this is gonna be the dog's walk. The first time around Camp 30 without their old friend Indy. Yeah. It's the 22nd of March and she's gone. Her leg snapped yesterday. She's old. It snapped. And she had to be put to sleep today out of kindness. She was in a lot of pain. So, anyway, I don't feel much like filming at all. Catch you guys all later. There's my little pumpkin bum and her brother. Venus wouldn't even take treats yesterday. She was waiting for her sister to come home. Yeah, the two of us. Life is very different without her. I feel lonely without her. She was always the one that was there for me. I mean, these dogs are good too. They're not as well behaved. That's kind of where I'm going with this. You guys are so cute. And see, still gotta keep putting one foot in front of the other. Made a picture in Chat GPT to remind me she's always with me. Well, it's Tuesday morning. I gotta go back to work. Venus is sniffing all kinds of gross stuff. Still gotta get Brutus out. I'll have to book an appointment for her to get fixed too. Not messing around. And the sky is kind of orangey this morning. I don't think it's going to be bad weather. I don't even think I need a hat. Anyway, I'll sign back in once Birdie's out. Alright. Back down at the pile, but I'm with Brutus this time. It does feel like a spring morning. Smells like a spring morning. I just have to watch that no coyotes come. There was like a bunch of them and I didn't have my camera. That cool stuff always happens when I don't have a camera. I really like them. I just don't want them to hurt my dogs, that's all. Or my dog to run away after them. So I always keep an eye on that tree line. Hey, bud? There. I don't think you can see him though unless I zoom in, but that's all geese out in the field. I guess they're looking for food, keeping warm. Hopefully there's no coyotes that come around. And Venus is right there. I think she needs to go to the bathroom. She's got to try and figure it out. But it's a beautiful morning. I slept in a little bit. It's like March, I think the 28th. Don't quote me. I think I can hear them. See, they're way out there. You can't see them unless I do the Zoom thing. Alright, so yeah, I'm still in a funk. It's almost a week that Indy's been gone. Tomorrow will be a week. Last week around this time, she was still with me. She was still out here with Venus. Whew. It's really hard. It's like losing a kid. I think I lost my kid. My oldest child. 14 years ain't enough for a dog to live. They should live longer. But I think it's like maybe 0, maybe a little under 0 right now. At least the weather's getting warmer. Gotta get Brutus out next. Yeah. Alright, into March. Snow is all gone. John had surgery 5 days ago. Found a lighter that works. He's happy. Anyway, first walk for John since his shoulder surgery. And Brutus is finally having his first dump of the day. Woohoo! Finally! Where are you going, Missy? No taking off. Where are you going? Little princess. Hey.
Vina, come on.
Hey, you. Come on.
Rudy, come.
Let's go. Come on. Keep walking. There's my boy. I did not bring my Insta360. Sorry, folks. It's always better footage, but I'll start bringing it. Okay, well, I tried to take a good picture of these guys. It's cute when they come and eat in the field. I don't know if you... Brutus. Way the heck over there. So I gotta go be with him. Okay, so dogs are already in the car. We're gonna go to the end of Cobbledick Road and see how it's doing. It's a bit warmer than yesterday. Yesterday was cold. Alexa, what's the temperature in Bowmanville today?
It actually tastes
Good
pretty
afternoon,
good,
Suzanne.
especially chilled.
Right now, in Bowmanville, Ontario, it's 5 degrees Celsius.
There you go.
Tonight,
Above
expect
zero.
a low of 1 degree.
Have his leash, please.
Why don't you take Venus's?
No, I'll just
And
take
I'll
him.
do him.
I'll take him.
You sure?
Yeah. This is my other arm.
Okay. As
Brutus.
long as he doesn't see the dog across the way. If we stick to this
Brutus.
side.
Close.
Old lady with dog. Venus, you stay close.
Oh, nice booty.
Okay. Come here, let's put your leash on. Let's put your leash on. There we go. There we go. And we can go for a nice walk. No yelling, no bullshit, no jumping off cliffs.
Never been.
That just goes to the other path. It's a path that leads around to the other path.
How many years have come and gone that I've been traveling? Don't need no one to remind me just where I've been and where we're still going. So many times I kill the noise with this old radio. Been so far out on the fringes, then wheels back in tow. Now I'm back on the road.
End of March, and the morning is actually above zero. Whew. And I'm out chasing after Brutus already. He's at the corner before I even get to the backyard today. I gotta look down because I'm watching for landmines Spring is danger zone for poo because they pooed back here most of the winter and it's too cold to clean it up. I'm gonna have to get out here with a scooper thing and get rid of it all. God. But Venus was good, as you can see behind me. Hopefully that doesn't mean bad weather. I don't think so though, it's not orange enough. There's Brutus, like 100 miles away in a dink. Go. Oh, so there's people right there. I don't know how skinny the river is to go that way. In spring, it's skinny enough you can get across.
I can see from here.
It looks skinny enough? Or you can keep going straight, less of a hill, less of a chance of you falling. Puppies heading down into the water. Oh, it's so pretty. We're gonna go up. Well, it's skinny enough we can go. How pretty, eh? Like, look at this. Okay, Venus can go off too. He's gonna love this.
Let her up.
I can't get at her. There we go, thank you. Yeah. Beautiful afternoon. Yeah, this is perfect. See why I like coming here? Now you don't have to worry about him being on a leash at all. He pretty much behaves himself.
Question, Rabbit.
Although we should walk a little farther.
Well, we can't really. Doesn't it start to fuck up there? Doesn't it start to get so narrow that you can't walk?
We'll walk a long way here. Pretty. Love it. That's up.
I know.
And that means there's no life living in it. And I see stuff living in there because you get algae. Oh, it's so pretty. Ah. The weather's even better today than it was yesterday. Water already. Right here. such a funny dog. Literally. He's a rock hound. Literally. You're so sick, girl. My girl. My girl. Talking about my girl.
Make me laugh. Makes me laugh like no other dog's ever made me laugh.
Yes. You're way cute though. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Venus. Venus. Hey. You. Really? Woo, woo. Woo, woo. You're so funny. You are. March 31st. Unless that's water on my lens. Is it icky out? Just trying to let Venus have a chance to go to the bathroom. Which I think she'll do pretty quick. She came into bed all scared last night because of the thunder and lightning. But last day of March, we're into April. Spring is springing. Okay, so that's it for the month of March. It's been up, down, all around, as you could see. I know, I got a cute little friend over here. A cutie. It's kind of like one of the wildlife that I saved during the winter by bringing out bird food. Yeah. Anyway, I'm really glad you joined me for March. And April is in the works. Yeah. So, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I love all of that. I'll answer. Maybe not right away, because I do work full time, so I'm not always on my personal stuff, but yeah. So, catch you for the next month. And then hopefully things will get a little more frequent because I'm going away camping come May. It starts. I still have to pay for stuff for August, but I've got pretty much the whole summer booked. So don't forget to be good to each other.